a hot dog, but you had to buy a whole bag of buns and you're single. Now what? We're gonna do breakfast, lunch, and supper so that there's no food waste and all these buns get eaten and don't go bad. So for breakfast, we're gonna turn these into French toast. Get them opened up, put them down the middle, and we're gonna cut them up into little cubes. 12 pieces total out of this. 2 eggs. Get those whipped up right quick. Milk. A little bit of cinnamon, dash of almond or vanilla extract. I like almond because it's sweeter to me. And then a teaspoon or 2 of brown sugar. That all mixed up. Then get your buns in there, all nice and soaked up. Now then, to a pan, we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil, tablespoon of butter. After about 2 minutes, go ahead and get them flipped. Another 2 to 4 minutes. Then once that's nice and golden, give them a quick spot of syrup, some fresh berries, powdered sugar, whipped cream, whatever you like. And there you go. Easy, quick breakfast from hot dog buns. Next up, lunch with 2 more buns. Because hot dog buns are soft, it's nothing like eating the 2 ends of a loaf. No. Open them up, don't tear them apart. If they fall apart, it's no big deal though. Then just make your sandwich as usual. A little bit of mayonnaise, a quick little squirt of Dijon, and 2 drops of Worcestershire to make a special sauce for my sandwich. There we go. What are your favorite sandwich toppings? What's your favorite sandwich? I love salami. I'll put pesto on it, all kinds of good stuff. Whenever I'm making a sandwich, I always put the wet stuff, the tomato, the pickle, the lettuce, in between either 2 meats or the meat and the cheese. That way all that wet stuff isn't touching the bread and getting it soggy. Secret to a good sandwich. And a quick hot dog bun sandwich. The next hot dog recipe is dual purpose. We're going to start by making a garlic bread, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it into pizza. So you can use this just as is for garlic bread, or go ahead and take it all the way through. So we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of melted butter, which we're going to add just the tiniest little bit of garlic. Get that mixed up. If you're using whole garlic, just 1 clove. Brush this on here. You can spoon it on as well. Go ahead and pop those onto our tray. And we'll go ahead and pop that into our broiler for a few minutes until golden brown. Just a few minutes, so keep an eye on it. You now have a nice garlic bread to eat with some pasta. But we're going to go ahead and go 1 step further and turn it into a pizza. You can use pizza sauce from the store, some leftover spaghetti sauce you have, or those sauceless, whatever you like. I'm using a leftover spaghetti sauce that I have, because around here I'm all about no food waste and using what you have. And shopping when you're single is hard because everything comes in such big sizes. So the more uses you find for what you have, the better. So there we go. We're all sauced up. Some mozzarella. He's got a nice little even layer. Use up the rest of this package of pepperoni. Have a little bit of cubed ham here. Then for extra sticking power, back in the broiler until that cheese is good and bubbly. I'm putting it on the lower rack to keep it from burning. Isn't that gorgeous? Give it a quick touch here and just go ahead and get them plated for a little hot dog and bun pizzas, whatever you want. So don't let being single scare you from having a hot dog when you want one, because there's so much you can do with the buns afterward. For more single serve recipes, check the next video. Cooking for one is fun, delicious, and no food waste. See you next time.